Everyone assumes the best-selling Creality 3D printer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Some of the most popular models miss key upgrades, while less hyped ones offer way more value. Let's cut through the noise and find what actually works. Product number 1, K2 Combo, the multicolor beast. The K2 Combo is Creality's high-end multicolor powerhouse, priced at $823.17. Right out of the box, it looks and feels premium, solid metal frame, sleek black finish, and zero assembly required. If you want jaw-dropping color prints without post-painting, this is worth a serious look. That means you can print complex, vibrant models like game pieces or artistic prototypes in full color, layer by layer. The 600 ms print speed and 20,000 ms2 acceleration let you finish large models fast, while the AI camera watches for spaghetti failures in real time. Plus, smart auto leveling only scans the area you're printing on, saving time and improving accuracy. Now, some people complained about the price and complexity for beginners. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant for someone just testing the waters. The learning curve is steeper, and at 65.9 pounds, it's not easy to move around. But if you're serious about multicolor printing and want a machine that grows with your skills, those trade-offs make sense. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or small business owner wanting professional-grade color prints without outsourcing. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only print simple PLA models. For the features and build quality, it's a solid value at this price point. Product number 2, Ender 3v3 SE Budget King. The Ender 3v3 SE is Creality's budget-friendly workhorse at just $277.77. It's a clear upgrade from older Ender 3 models, with a modern design and smart features packed in. If you want reliable, fast printing without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The Sprite Direct Extruder handles PLA, PETG, and even TPU smoothly, and over 500,000 units have been shipped, proving its reliability. CR Touch Auto Leveling and Strain Sensor Z-Offset mean you spend less time tweaking and more time printing. Plus, auto filament loading makes swapping materials effortless. Now, some people complained about the smaller build volume and occasional bed adhesion issues. Here's the thing though, the 8.66 x 866 x 984-inch print area is still enough for most hobbyist projects, and using a glue stick or PEI sheet fixes most adhesion problems. It's not perfect, but for the price, it's incredibly capable. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or student looking for an affordable, easy-to-use printer. Skip this one if you need large-scale prints or advanced materials like carbon fiber. For under $300, it's one of the best value printers Creality has ever made. Product number 3, K2 Combo Alternate Listing Feature-Rich Flagship. This is another listing for the K2 Combo, but with slightly different specs and marketing, still $823.17, but emphasizing the dual AI camera and air purifier. It's the same core machine, just packaged differently. If you want top-tier speed, color, and smart monitoring, this version highlights those extras. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual AI cameras give you real-time monitoring from multiple angles, so you can catch failures early or record time lapses without extra gear. The built-in air purifier filters VOCs, which is a big deal if you're printing in a bedroom or office. With 300 degrees C nozzle temps and hardened steel components, it handles engineering filaments like ABS and PETG with ease. Now, some people complained about the lack of included CFS units beyond one and the high price. Here's the thing though, you can expand later, and the base CFS still enables 4-color printing. The cost is steep, but you're getting a near-professional machine with smart safety and workflow features most competitors don't offer. This is perfect for you if you want a future-proof printer with room to grow into multicolor and advanced materials. Skip this one if you don't need air filtration or dual cameras. It's overkill for basic prints, but unmatched for serious creators. Product number 4, K2 SE Speed and Simplicity. The K2 SE hits a sweet spot at $379.24, faster than the Ender 3v3 SE and more affordable than the full K2 combo. It looks compact but packs a punch with a solid metal frame and Core XY motion system. If you want high-speed printing with room to upgrade, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It hits 500 ms with 20,000 ms 2 acceleration, and the input shaping algorithm reduces ringing so your prints stay sharp even at speed. The die-cast aluminum frame minimizes flex, meaning better dimensional accuracy on functional parts. It's compatible with the CFS system, so you can add multicolor later. The quick swap nozzle and auto leveling make maintenance and setup a breeze, just 5 minutes to assemble. Now some people complained about the smaller build volume compared to the K2 combo and no included CFS. Here's the thing though, the 220x215x245 volume is still plenty for most users, and you can always upgrade to CFS when ready. It's a modular approach that keeps the upfront cost low. This is perfect for you if you want speed and upgrade potential without the premium price. It's a smart middle ground for growing makers. Product number 5, Ender 3v3 SE alternate listing, same printer, slight tweaks. This is another version of the Ender 3v3 SE, same $277.77 price, but with minor spec differences, like a 32-bit silent mainboard and updated UI. It's essentially the same printer with slight internal upgrades. If you want a quiet, reliable starter machine, this variant is still a strong pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The silent mainboard reduces noise significantly, making it ideal for home or office use. The optimized UI shows leveling progress visually, so you know exactly what's happening. Dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts improve stability, reducing wobble on taller prints. Auto filament loading works smoothly, and the flexible build plate makes removal easy. Now, some people complained about inconsistent first layers and power supply warnings. Here's the thing though, most first layer issues come from improper bed cleaning or leveling, not the printer itself. And the 115V power warning is just a reminder to check your region's voltage. Once set, it runs fine. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, easy-to-use printer under $300. Skip this one if you need large prints or advanced materials. It's a minor refresh, but still one of the best entry-level options out there. So which Creality should you buy? The Ender 3v3 SE is the best budget pick for beginners. The K2 SE offers speed and upgrade potential. The full K2 combo is for serious multicolor creators, and the alternate listings, same core machines, just different packaging. Pick based on your needs, not the hype. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.